Hi, everybody. A very good evening. How you doing? Hope all well. Hope all great. And I'm really hoping everybody's had a great day so far and stuff. It's close to 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time. This is me, Justine Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decon Design. We're in the business of designing, manufacturing, and supplying home and office decor and interior solutions. And we have accessories also related to home, office, any space, hotels, banquets, libraries, co-working spaces, guest houses, your study rooms, your libraries, your eating joints, your pubs, lobbies, wherever, So now, since I've already introduced it, you can imagine that interior solutions mein kya kya aata hoga, what all is it that interior solutions is a part and part of. We do not do exclusive interior designing. We do more of products and stuff. Yes, we've got a team which also specializes on interior design. We only have them stepping in with us when it's a design to be done. I professionally am the founder and CEO and the brainwave behind this, and most of the products that you see have all been conceptualized, designed, shortlisted, and finalized by me and stuff. We also have this year we included jewelry, which is in silver and semi-precious stones as well. We've not started with very high end like diamond and stuff like that, but we've gone into silver. We've got stuff in the gate. We've got lots and lots of stones and stuff. So I'll keep it short because then my video will lose the sense of what am I sharing all about and stuff. Our weather is improving, but when you get back or you start your day, or you're in your day and stuff, you want to feel this consistent thing of feeling good and feeling great and not getting influenced by anything around you. So, वैसे तो normally they say that what you're feeling within is what you're feeling outward. So that's something deeper. But the point is, when it comes to designing, and when it comes to interiors, and when it comes to architectural designs and stuff like that, there's these central tips or hacks which work very well. Okay, so I'm going to share one. I shared one yesterday. The second one is today. That like some people, they're very like done, or they're very off, or they're bored is the word that they use with their staircase and stuff. Now, if the staircase forms a part of your apartment, or it's let's say a duplex, and you have a staircase within your apartment, or you're in a building, or you've got like a country house, or you got a villa, or you got an office space or something, stairs is something which you can't always do away with. So it's not like you can't reconstruct staircase and stuff like that, but the design solution is that you start putting these runners on your staircase and stuff. So these nice rugs and these runners that you get, or you can do these Moroccan tiles, which is the second idea, which I wanted to share separately in the coming month. But since I'm already sharing and I'm talking on it, you could do this. Buy some nice runners. Make sure that they stick very well with your staircase and nobody slips and stuff. It shouldn't be dangerous for the health and stuff and all that. There's so many fabrics, and there are so many makes available in India, and international market is also. I mean, international scene is also very clear to people. We are very good with our import scene and stuff like that, and most of the retail outlets and designers work very well here with their stuff. So runners is something which you could do. Then I've already explained you can have these tiles put up there. So whatever is your favorite theme, if you like Moroccan, if you like French, if you like stripes, if you like to have a ceramics feeling or something. So on the staircase, talk to your contractors and stuff, and you can have this happening. Now, the central part. Now, when you've come into, let's say, you're walking into a room, you get into a room, it's your house, or it's a big space, or it's not even a very big space, but the moment you enter, you want to feel good. So say for example, I've had a great time ahead. I have a great time ahead of me, and I've had a great time behind me. But now, in the space where I'm sitting right now, I'm just not feeling that great and stuff. Or I've been to a really kick ass place, and I come back home and I'm lighting my head thinking, I felt so good in that particular space, or in that particular corner of an art gallery or a hotel or a coffee shop. I wish I could have something like this at home, you know. So, Khayali Palau, you're wishing things, you know. So, I will give you an idea to make it happen and stuff, okay? Video 2.